Yo, what is good guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be giving you a full Oopbuy tutorial, how to order, how to ship, how to declare, how to save money, and more. So if you had any questions or have any questions during the process, I got you. If you're unaware of what Oopbuy is, it's a Chinese shipping agent where you can order Chinese goods from China, if you know what I'm talking about, wink wink. And just a little introduction for myself, I've been ordering from China for the past 4 years of my life. So I'd say I'm pretty experienced. I pretty much have a degree in like ordering from China at this point because it's been 4 years. But yeah, I'm pretty experienced. All right, let's get right into the tutorial. So here I am on Oopbuy, here's the homepage. But before you're able to order or do anything, you need an account. Luckily for you, Oopbuy offers free coupons to new users when you sign up with the link. So I went ahead and linked the best one I could find you guys in my link tree. So just click that, fill in your information, make your account, yada yada. You know, it's just pretty basic, pretty simple. And just so you know I'm not lying about this, I literally just did this on an alt account. Here's all the coupons, as you can see. I think the best one's like 30% off. That's pretty good. In fact, in my 4 years, it's the best one I've ever seen. So once you've made your account, you're gonna need to find items to buy. Now this process used to be really difficult back in the day, but luckily for you guys, I made a whole website, designed it and everything that has a list of all the links I found over the past 4 years. And yeah, it just makes your process easier. So go in your search bar, search up repsheets.net, or go on my link tree, it's in there as well, under the coupons. Select Oopbuy, save and continue. One last thing, register on Oopbuy. If you haven't registered already, you can register there. And then click Browse Finds. And then now you have access to over 6,000 items I've added over the past 4 years. I typically put the top quality ones at the top. Things I've bought personally, things I recommend, things I know that are good. But yeah, feel free to just browse around, use a search bar, filter, you know, everything. Now let's just say I want some Jordan 4s, you know, do a little Jordan 4 action. So then once you click the link, you can see the purchasing page. Pretty simple. You can see the price, the merchant, select your color, select your size. See all these colors of Jordan 4. Which one do I not have yet? Ooh, I don't have the midnight navies. I want the midnight navies, I'm not gonna lie. So I selected the color. Now I select the size. I'm size 12 or size 46 Euro. Quantity 1, leave a message, nah. Custom pictures, I'm good. And then once you selected everything on the purchase page, just click I agree. Buy now or add to cart. I'm gonna buy now because I wanna buy it now. Here I give you the price again, quantity, added services. But then once you're ready, click I agree. Click submit order. And then from here on, this is pretty simple, you know, PayPal, Google Pay, Skrill, credit card, Alipay, you got a lot of payments. One thing I like about Oopbuy is they're the only agent in the game that actually lets you use PayPal to order. That is so convenient. Choose any one of them you'd like. So once you've purchased your item, go to the top right, click orders. You can view your item. Here I can see my Jordan 4. I didn't actually buy it because my funds are a little low right now. But it's the same process for all items. You know, I have other items here. But yeah, you can see the order status. Like mine says payment pending. You can hover over the little I or the question mark right there. You can see, oh, the order has been submitted, waiting for payment. But then I can scroll down to like other orders I have, warehoused, other goods have been stored and placed on the shelves, whatever. It'll be like purchased, then shipped, then warehoused. That's like the 3 main ones. I haven't really seen anything other. But yeah, from here, the process is like 2 to 5 days, 5 days max. That's like if it's a little slow that day. Sometimes it's under 2 days. Like it'll be like a day and it already arrives. I don't know how. But yeah, 2 to 5 days for the item to get to the warehouse. And it will notify you via the email and the mobile app if you have the mobile app. So it'll tell you when it's there. So once it's been stored in the warehouse, like these products have right here, you'll actually be able to view pictures of the exact item you're gonna receive on here. So what's a good one? What's something I'm waiting for? A nice calm little Stussy tee. You all know what Stussy is. It's a nice little brand. So here we have a Stussy navy blue tee. Here's pictures of it. Looks nice. Looks nice. Looks nice. Yep, I like it. I want to keep it. But yeah, takes a little bit for all of them to come to the warehouse. But once they are in the warehouse, go to the warehouse tabs on the left, and you can view all the stuff in the warehouse, view the pictures again. Now for this part, I recommend having multiple items in the warehouse ready to ship because it does save overall on the cost of shipping because it's like added weight and stuff. Like for example, if I ship 1 pair of shoes, it's like $40. If I ship 2, it's like $60. So now once you've selected all your items that you want to ship, go down to the bottom right, click create parcel. It'll ask you to add your address at this step, I'm pretty sure. I already have mine added. Scroll down, you can see the packaging details, carton packaging, minimalistic packaging. Now for the packaging details, I have a strong recommendation. You know, I've been doing this, once again, 4 years. At minimum, buy stretch film, at minimum. And this will allow so no water gets in, the parcel doesn't get ripped, nothing happens to it. So buy stretch film, that's the only recommendation. Otherwise, all these other things, they do help and stuff, yeah, of course. So once you selected the added on services, scroll down to see the mailing route, the shipping route. As you can see, I got a few to choose from. I prefer UPS because they're fast, they're cheap. Choose whatever one you prefer, cheap or fastest or whatever. I just choose fastest, I'm not gonna lie. You'll be able to see that you can buy insurance, purchase protection. That's an extra, it's an extra little bit, but if anything does actually happen to your parcel, then it will be completely refunded. Now, before you submit listen to me now. Right next to submit parcel button is a use coupon button. This is where the first step comes in place. So click it, scroll to find a 30% off. I don't think it's on this account because I didn't sign up with my own link. So I have the 15 one, 15, confirm. And as you can see, it saved me a good bit of money, and it would have doubled if I had 30%, but fortunately I have 15. But yeah, crucial step to saving money. This is where the saving money part comes in. Coupon's been selected. You're ready to ship. You're ready to order. You're ready to get over the process of using this website and ready to have a parcel in hand and opening it, and wearing the nice clothing and stuff, whatever you bought. Click submit parcel, and then it'll bring you to like the purchasing page again, like the same page and the order when you ordered the product. Just pay. Put your information in, pay, use PayPal, whatever. And then once you've paid, go back to like your main page. You can see on the left it says parcel, and here you can view your parcel. From here on, you can just chill. From here on, you can just sit back, relax. Just every few days, come back, check the updates. You know, here you'll be able to see the tracking, the pictures of the parcel, the after order assistance. So the shipping, in my experience, 6 to 12 days, in my experience. But of course, it does vary on what shipping line you do use. And yeah, you just ordered your first parcel. Congrats. Clap it up. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to claim your exclusive coupons in the link tree in the first link in the bio, whatever. If you have any more questions, join my Discord. It'll be linked down below in the description. And if this did help you, please drop a like and subscribe. It does support me, supports my channel. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.